Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I totally made over my guest bathroom. It's a super tiny bathroom, so there's not much to make over, but you will see how I transformed this bathroom with only items from the Dollar Tree, with the exception of the wallpaper, which is from Amazon. Here are all of the items that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I end up not using all of the items, but most of the items I did use, and you'll see them later on in the video. As you can see, the wallpaper has already been placed on the wall. Unfortunately, I lost the video of me placing the wallpaper on the wall, but it was relatively easy to place on the wall. So now we're going to go into decorating the back wall. I'm going to be using self-adhesive hooks to hang most of the items on the back wall. So the first thing that I'm hanging is this shower caddy that I got from the bathroom aisle, and the hand towels were also from the bathroom aisle. The towels came 1 per pack. Okay, so next I'm taking these mini crates that I got from the arts and craft aisle, and I am painting them white. I used the white acrylic paint also from the arts and craft aisle. They did not come out as bright as I wanted them to, so I had to go back in and use white spray paint that I already had on hand. Next, I'm going to be adding letters to each of the frames, but first I'm going to remove the clips from each of the picture frames. Now also I'm going to remove the border around the frame so that I can utilize the entire space. I also removed the stands from the back of each of the picture frames, and I'm going to be using command strips to place them on the wall. To my knowledge, they don't sell command strips at Dollar Tree, but you can go on the craft aisle and you can pick up pop dot tape, which I will use later on in the video, and you can use that as well. Next, I'm taking the white washcloths that I got from the bath aisle and I'm rolling them and placing them into the black basket. The washcloths came 4 in a pack and I bought 2 packs. Now that I have everything assembled, I'm going to go ahead and place everything on the wall. The first thing I'm going to place on the wall are the picture frames. And as you can see, I'm peeling off the strip from the back of the command strip and I'm going to place it on the wall. Now that I'm done with that wall, I'm going to place the basket of washcloths on the wall, and I'm also going to be using the self-adhesive hooks. Now I'm going to be placing the mini crates that I painted white, and I'm going to place them on the wall. I am using the pop dot tape from the craft aisle of the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place 2 strips on each of the crates and place them on the wall. And here's the final product of my small guest bathroom makeover. I hope you enjoy everything that you've seen today. If you have any questions about anything that you've seen today, you can comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video.